So now we are looking at a property which is located in Ramapuram. So our mark location is on this side. So this side we have a mark location on the left road. So it is 550 meter away from there. The property is 550 meter away from there. So here we have underground drainage system, but still the connections has not been given. So we can see, and we have a storm water line here on the road. So our existing Muthoot Finance property on that side, the third building. So here we don't have any underground drainage system connection, but we have underground drainage system lines. So now we are going to take this property. So here also we have only septic tank. So if the line connection means, then the owner said he will be definitely giving that connection to the drain line easily. But as of now, so here we can see that the septic tank is there, and we have 12,000 liters of sump and 12,000 liters of overhead tank. So here it is a complex. So on the ground floor we have a shopping mart. That is we can see. So here we have ground floor a shopping mall and a shop here, and the ground floor we have very good parking space. So we can utilize this space for gas bank and all. So we have a septic tank here and the sump here. So we can see it is 12,000 liters of capacity, and we have two entries, that is from frontage. So from the back side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 steps. So it is actually a fire existing step, that is alternate step for this property. So existingly there is a restaurant has been running here, but after corona it has been locked. So now we are going to take this property only. So if we are okay with this, the owner is ready to give it as a concrete staircase also. So another existing is staircases for terrace we have here, and we can see at the left side we have very good space. That is for our property itself we have 4 feet of length, so we can put any exhaust here, and moreover it is also a commercial property only. So here we have the property is vacant. At the ground floor we have a shop, that's garment shop. So at the first floor it is vacant only. So we can see it is the property status on the left and right. On the right side we have other commercial space, but we have only 2 feet of width. So existingly they have used so that space for duct. So we can see at the corner we have a duct, but we can utilize this space and this space because the back side is fully, it's vacant space. I will show you. So the back side is open space only. So we have back side also, so 3 feet of length. We don't have any issue. So we can plan the exhaust on this side or at the back side, and we can take fresh air from that side on this side also. So we don't have any problem. So as it is, so from this wall, so actually it is a very big building, that is 2,400 square feet of carpet area we have. So we have only entry on the back side, and we are going to take from this end only. So we can see, so from this part only we are going to take, and we have alternate entry, that is the main entry and that is the alternate entry. So if we come from this side we have this space, but it is more than our requirement, so we are moving to that space. So here we have frontage glass, so we have a restroom to this. So after this only we have our property. So from here, this wall to that wall we have 30.5, and from that wall to this wall we have 29 feet. So below, after that pillar, so we can see, so already it has been done quota tiling and drain line connections, but the owner is ready to chip out all these things, and he is ready to make the partition, and he is going to demolish this part. And also we have a ceiling below beam, we have 2 feet of below beam. So the overall height is 10.5, but the below the beam we have only 8.5 including, so I have calculated from here. So if you do from here it will be like 9 feet. So we have a 0.5 feet of height from the ceiling to floor. So we have overall from here to here we have 10.5, but below the beam we have 8.5 feet. So this is the overall property. So we have very good property here in Ramapuram. So now we can go to the terrace. So actually it is a G+2 building. So it is now we are going to the terrace. So if we are taking this side, we have lift facility also, but we are not going to take that. So we can see here is the lift room on the top of that we have a this tank. So here they have done a room type for gym. Now it is the terrace view, but we can't able to go beyond this. At the back side they have done a room type construction. So our mark location is there only. So SRM college. So it is merely 500 meter only. So please watch the video and share the feedback. So power is also available. If it is below 10 kilowatt, the owner is ready to take 12 also.